Hey everybody, if you want to associate your Google account with a device and you are looking out how to do so, in today's guide we are going to guide you through the process for that, so let's get started. Find and tap on the settings app on your device and access your settings application right there, and once you do so you can scroll down and go over to the accounts and backup section and tap on it, depending upon your phone's model. After you go over there you can tap on this option called manage accounts. And you need to select the option of adding an account for Google account. You can scroll down, find the option for add account and tap on it. And there, just go over and select the option for Google. And once you select the Google option, it should start up this page and you just need to use your security code or PIN, password, etc. Continue the process and head over to the sign up page. Now you just need to go over and follow the on-screen prompts to enter your Google email address and your password. So you just need to go over and enter up your email or phone number in the section, and right after it enter up your password, and you might be once you confirm it up, you might be seeing option to sync your contacts, calendar, etc. You can check the boxes for what you want to sync or skip. So you can just go over and do so, and that should probably associate your Google account with a new device. That's pretty easy. Also, you can even manage your devices if you would like within your settings itself. And that's it. You can follow the steps prompted to add a Google account and sign in there, and that should associate your Google account with a new device very easily. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.